In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Talkie app. So if you have been receiving a lot of alerts or pop-up notifications from this Talkie app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and put a permanent stop on it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. And to do this, just go to settings. From settings, go ahead and look for the option called apps, and under apps look for manage apps or all apps on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, here is my app. If you can't find it, you can just search your app by name using the search function here. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see now we are on the app info page, and this is where we shall do our settings. So if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and once you have found it, just long press on it and you should see app info here. This will take you again to the same app info page. At this point, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions look for notifications, and you can see all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you have been receiving all those pop-up notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off these show notifications, and this will go ahead and stop or put an end to all pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn it on. So that's how you can stop pop-up notifications permanently on your Talkie app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.